Hey guys, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today you're going to join me in an unboxing of two new Hot Wheels cars. This is a brand new casting for 2022, the GMC Hummer EV. So this is the new electric Hummer made by GM, and they're calling it the Hummer EV, which is kind of an interesting, quirky new vehicle. And I have my friend here, Ryan. Say hi.
Hello.
And he's going to join me in this unboxing. So we got two different colors of this new model for 2022. As you can see, these are both on a international package. As you can see, they do not have the guaranteed for life on the top there. And these are completely different colors. This one was released in the G case, and this one I believe was the M case release. So this is the newest Hot Wheels I actually have. But anyways, these are new models for 2022 from the Hot Wheels Green Speed Series number 3 of 5. And new models. And let's open up the yellow one first. Looks like this is the better looking one out of the two, but this is a really cool new model. And my special guest is actually going to open up the orange one, but here is a nice look at the yellow one first, and then come up on camera here and open that up like that right there. You got it. Oh yes. All right. Good unboxing there. And he just opened up the orange one there. So this is the orange one, the recolor. This is the newer color of this casting. All right. Let's take a nice look at the yellow one first. So we see the BLOR wheels, the Bead Lock Off Road wheels on this one. A nice yellow color, kind of an enamel yellow. And then look at that nice black interior. And there's really no roof. It's kind of like a transparent roof there. And really cool details on the back there. You can see that it says Hummer. Yep. And GMC right on the back. Check that out. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And then we have nice, it's kind of like a pickup truck. It's an electric vehicle. And then check that out. Look at, you can see the inside very clearly. And it says Hummer right on the front. And they kind of gave it the Hummer name, even though it's made by GM, and Hummer's a completely different brand. But very nice looking vehicle. And there's the base. It's a black plastic base made in Malaysia. Very first release of this one. I love the wheels on this one. Very cool. And then we have orange from M case. This is a metallic orange, kind of like a scarlet orange. This is just a pure enamel yellow, but this is orange. Like,
I don't really see the difference between the two, besides the color.
Yeah, they're both the same release, just the different colors. You can see that they both have the full details in the front, nice mirrors on it as well. And a 4-door vehicle, 4 seats, well, 5 seats actually, so 5-seater, and the driving is on the left. And there we go. Hummer, GMC Hummer on the back there. Very nice. And then, yeah, they are the same vehicle. The only difference is the toy number. And on the cars themselves, the color is the only difference between these vehicles. But two really nice new models for 2022. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe, and thanks for helping out Ryan.
And see you next time.
Bye-bye!